We are here at a Chick-fil-A here in Chicago. And we got this very slow elevator here to ride.
Does that remind you of anything?
It's an Abell.
So technically.
Technically, but it's a LULA.
Just wait until you see the COP.
Here it is.
You want to get Kathy?
Ah,
God,
yeah.
it has a chime too. There's the COP right there.
Let's go too.
You want me to turn you around or?
I got it.
See if we can all jam it. We won't. Anyone press the button?
It's already pushed. Here we go.
It's gonna be so slow. Sure you pressed it? There we go. Oh my god, this is the slowest elevator ever.
I've seen LULA/elevators this slow before.
This isn't an elevator, this is like a wheelchair lift almost. It's
Pretty much.
It's not slow. Oh my god.
Yeah,
It'd be quicker to just
take the steps.
take the stairs or climb with your hands.
Oh my gosh, this is
And it's really, the roof is really short too. Give me the
and we're leveling.
out of here.
You want to get out here? Okay.
You want to get out of
I'm
here?
getting claustrophobic.
Just by riding this thing?
Yeah.
Here we'll let Jay out so he can get out first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sit in area. Let's go in the chime.
Just level. It even has the chime too.
Let's go order level.
At least the panel's not loose. That's good.
Whee! It's actually a Colley elevator.
Really?
Yes.
I thought it was an Abell.
Nope, Colley. It's only 1,400 pounds.
Like 1 feet per minute. Like
Yeah.
not even.
What a weird place, and what the heck is this thing? And here we are, ground floor. Who's that?
It's not a nerve.
And there it goes. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.